If you work with spreadsheets, exports, lead lists, or messy data files, this is going to save you a huge amount of time. In this video, I'm going to show you how to clean CSV files with Cursor AI quickly and safely without manually sorting through every bad row, duplicate entry, or formatting issue. This is especially useful if you've exported data from a CRM, downloaded a report, or received a CSV file that just needs a fast cleanup before you can actually use it. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more AI workflow tips just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, open Cursor and load the CSV file you want to clean. You can drag the file in, open it directly, or access it from your project depending on how your workspace is set up. Once the file is open, take a look at the data and identify what needs fixing. In many cases, that means empty rows, inconsistent formatting, duplicate entries, strange spacing, or other messy values that make the file hard to work with. Now, to make Cursor AI help you clean it up, highlight the messy section of the CSV if you want to target part of the file, or simply use the shortcut Cmd+K on Mac or Ctrl+K on Windows. This opens Cursor's AI prompt box so you can tell it exactly what you want done. In the prompt, type, remove empty rows, fix formatting, and delete duplicates in this CSV. This is a simple but effective instruction because it tells Cursor to focus on the most common cleanup tasks without overcomplicating the process. After typing the prompt, press Enter and let Cursor generate the changes. Cursor will analyze the file and suggest edits based on your instructions. What makes this so useful is that you're not doing the cleanup manually row by row. Instead, you're letting the AI identify the issues and prepare a cleaner version of the file for you. Once the changes appear, don't rush to save right away. Take a moment to review the diff carefully. Make sure the empty rows are actually removed, the formatting looks correct, and no important records were accidentally changed. This review step is important because even though AI is fast, you still want to confirm that the cleaned CSV matches what you need. If everything looks good, click Accept to apply the changes. At that point, your CSV file will be cleaned and ready to use. You can then export it, import it into another tool, or continue working with it in Cursor. And that's it. In just a few steps, you've learned how to clean CSV files with Cursor AI using a simple prompt, a quick review, and a final accept step. This is a great workflow for anyone who works with data regularly and wants to save time while keeping things organized. If you found this helpful, please hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more easy AI tutorials like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.